Beneath the calm shimmer of the world's oceans lies a violent underworld, where ancient forces whisper and seethe. The surface, tranquil and blue, hides fractures that bleed fire. Here, light fades, pressure crushes, and the planet's fury simmers unseen, waiting to erupt in silence. The sea hides its monsters well. Far below, where sunlight never touches, volcanic ridges carve the ocean floor like scars upon stone. These great wounds are alive, breathing toxic gases and molten life. In total darkness, heat meets cold, and minerals bloom like alien flowers. The earth itself reshapes its bones beneath us. Underwater volcanoes are the architects of continents, birthing islands from the bleeding crust. But in their creation lies destruction, a cycle of renewal fueled by chaos. Each eruption can redraw coastlines, alter currents, and silence entire ecosystems in moments. Their fury is ancient, endless, and beautiful. At depths exceeding 10,000 feet, the weight is crushing, no human can survive it. Yet here, vents spew superheated water hot enough to melt lead. Around them, bizarre creatures thrive, feeding on chemicals instead of sunlight. Life adapts in impossible ways, proving resilience amid annihilation. Each bubble of gas from these vents is a ghost of magma below, an ancestral cry from the planet's core. They swirl upward like whispered warnings, unseen by any surface dweller. Sensors detect tremors, signals of instability that ripple across the globe. Deep time, folded into a rising tremor, prepares to burst. In the Pacific, along the Ring of Fire, lies a chain of volcanoes that never sleep. Their roots are fused with the planet's most volatile plates, shifting ceaselessly. The ground moves, the mantle sighs, and the water trembles. It is a symphony of destruction playing under miles of silence. When an underwater volcano erupts, the explosion is muffled, yet far more devastating. Steam, ash, and molten rock erupt into the depths, sending shockwaves faster than sound. Pressure bends the laws of physics, amplifying chaos into perfect order. Every eruption is a reminder of who truly rules the earth. Imagine it, black plumes of heated ash stretching for miles, curling like smoke in darkness. Each particle carries minerals destined to seed life anew. What looks like death is actually rebirth, a cosmic balance of destruction feeding creation. Volcanoes sculpt the ocean's future in each breath of fire. Some volcanoes, hidden under fragile crusts, can explode without warning, massive blasts known as phreatomagmatic eruptions. When fire meets trapped seawater, the reaction is instant, violent beyond comprehension. These jets can vaporize entire columns of water in seconds, leaving boiling scars on the seafloor. As pressure stabilizes, life creeps back. Tube worms, blind shrimp, and ghost fish reclaim the blackened terrain. Incomplete, fragile, yet persistent, they prove survival is relentless. The heat that destroyed now sustains, turning desolation into sanctuary. This paradox defines the deep. Scientists deploy robotic explorers to witness this dark magic firsthand. Machines built for apocalypse descend into pressure that would crush steel. Their cameras reveal rivers of molten rock sliding through liquid darkness. What they record feels mythic, proof that creation still burns beneath our seas. These eruptions also generate sound, low-frequency rumbles called acoustic earthquakes. Through the abyss, these vibrations travel like underwater thunder, trembling the bones of whales and ships alike. Sound becomes prophecy, foretelling change, destruction, and renewal. The ocean listens, silently recording every roar. Over centuries, volcanic eruptions have created thousands of mid-ocean ridges, massive undersea mountain chains longer than any on land. They crisscross the planet like veins of glowing metal, connecting continents through unseen fire. Their rise defines our geography, a hidden world dictating the surface we walk on. When magma cools under immense pressure, new crust is born, fresh land sculpted by invisible architects. Yet, the birth is violent, marked by earthquakes that can travel for thousands of miles. This balance of destruction and creation keeps the earth alive, pulsing, restless, eternally consuming itself. Hydrothermal vents, born of volcanic breath, emit shimmering columns of mineral-laden water. To the eye, they glow like gateways to another universe. Around them, microbial civilizations thrive, birthing the foundations of life itself. Here, fire from the mantle and life from the void intertwine eternally. Few know that 40% of Earth's volcanic activity happens underwater, silent, unseen cataclysms beneath our trade routes and islands. These eruptions can reshape weather patterns and fuel climate shifts. With every tremor, the world above feels a whisper of the chaos below. In the Indian Ocean, scientists discovered an entire mountain range rising unnoticed beneath the surface. A continuous eruption, long hidden by water, was building terrain at a staggering rate. It was creation on a planetary scale, disguised by waves. The deep had kept it secret for millennia. Any moment, pressure can reach a breaking point, and magma chambers rupture. The resulting tidal forces can trigger tsunamis, relentless walls of water moving faster than airplanes. Civilization, unaware, sleeps above its executioner, trusting the ocean's calm. But nature never sleeps, it calculates. It's in these violent moments that legends are born. Entire islands rise overnight, entire coastlines vanish by dawn. Underwater volcanoes create myths that outlive generations, recorded in ancient scripts and oral histories. Humanity has always sensed something monstrous stirring below. Volcanoes also release vast amounts of carbon dioxide and sulfur, gases that linger, drift, and alter climates. Hidden eruptions decades apart can tip balances, cooling or heating entire regions. The ocean becomes both grave and cradle of climate change. The deep burns while the sky remembers. Technology now allows us to hear their heartbeat, to map the rumble of magma in real time. Seismic sensors and autonomous submarines gather whispers of coming storms. Each tremor is decoded, translated into insight and warning. Yet, despite knowledge, we are powerless to stop what brews below. Deep in Tonga, an eruption once tore through the sea, releasing energy equal to multiple nuclear blasts. The shock echoed across the planet, felt even in distant continents. Satellite images showed a mushroom of steam and ash breaching the waves, a reminder of the Earth's unrestrained power. Such explosions can awaken dormant faults, ripple through tectonic networks, and stir the Pacific from slumber. When one volcano breathes, others listen. The planet operates in symphony, lava, water, air, and pressure composing its chaotic music. The sea conducts, hiding the orchestra beneath black curtains. Within submarine calderas, molten lakes churn beneath crushing tons of pressure. One fracture, one burst of trapped gas, and the balance collapses. Boiling magma meets icy sea, creating a shockwave that no vessel can withstand. It is both art and apocalypse, painted in absolute darkness. Creatures of the deep remain undisturbed by the chaos, they have evolved to dance with death. Their glowing forms drift through volcanic clouds, immune to acid and heat. It is evolution shaped by fire, sculpted by cataclysm. They are the children of Earth's inferno, still growing in shadows. Surface tremors are often the first sign for humans. Boats feel subtle pulses before instruments confirm them. But by then, miles below, magma has already begun its climb. The calm before eruption feels endless, until the sea itself lifts and the world is reminded how fragile it truly is. Recording an undersea eruption is perilous. Robotic probes melt, sensors fail, and steel arms crumple like paper. The pressure and temperature defy engineering. Each successful capture is a triumph of science over chaos, fleeting proof of humanity's curiosity before nature consumes its discovery once more. Some eruptions never reach the surface, instead, they cool slowly, forming labyrinths of basalt towers. These black cathedrals rise like giants, silent testimonies to alien craftsmanship. Within them, echoes of eruption remain, frozen energy captured in stone. The sea floor, ever restless, builds its own monuments. In rare cases, gas trapped beneath sediment escapes violently in what is known as a limnic explosion. The sea fizzes like soda turned lethal. Fish perish instantly, oxygen vanishes, and silence reigns. Nature exhales a toxic breath, cleansing itself through calamity. From space, satellite spectrometers detect rising plumes under the waves, infrared blinks of molten light. Every glowing pixel marks a rupture, a heartbeat of magma pressing against ocean skin. Technology reveals what eyes cannot, exposing the restless veins of creation hidden beneath our civilization. In the Arctic, scientists witnessed eruptions beneath glaciers, a paradox of ice and fire. Steam carved vast caverns, reshaping the frozen landscape from below. The interplay of extremes defies imagination, proving no environment escapes Earth's hunger to reinvent itself through destruction. As the magma cools, minerals crystallize, releasing nutrients that feed plankton blooms. The surrounding water transforms into a cradle of life. Even devastation gives something back, closing a savage yet balanced loop. Destruction, it seems, is only another face of creation. Over millennia, ancient eruptions have drawn continents apart and stitched new lands together. Without their fury, no mountain peak or shore would exist. Our very continents are born from drowned fire. To understand underwater volcanoes is to understand Earth's relentless need to become anew. In the end, deep beneath the calm blue horizon, the planet's heart beats in magma and salt. The ocean guards its secrets, feeding on destruction and rebirth alike. What we call beauty is balance within catastrophe, the pulse of Earth itself, raw, ancient, and awake beneath our fragile existence. So when you gaze upon the sea, remember, its calm deceives. Below, the most powerful forces of nature wait, patient and eternal. Every wave is a veil, every ripple a whisper of inferno. The terrifying power beneath the waves never sleeps, it only dreams in fire.